Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you some ideas for doors and windows on your geodesic dome design. All right, now we're going to go over the door assembly. First we have here the window adjustment. We have 2 side saddle T's, 2 6-inch sections of PVC pipe, 1 22-inch section, and 2 L's. We have the same mechanism, same setup for this door handle here. What we have on the window is 4 sections of PVC pipe cut to 18 inches long. We have 4 L's making that box. We're using snap clamps to hold the plastic on, and then we have a snap cross for the top. Let's go over the frame of the door. First, you're going to need a section that's cut to 22 inches long, another 22 inches long section, and one more 22-inch section. You're going to need 2 74-inch sections. You're going to need 2 side saddle T's and 4 L's for the frame. Now we have our snap hinges here. Place it roughly a foot from the top. Also place one roughly a foot from the bottom right there. Now you're going to have 2 for the windows, and you're set. All right, so you can see here I'm starting to disassemble some of these parts. The reason is we're going to be making a door. We assembled this completely enclosed, and the reason now that we're going to be adding that door is we want to have this maybe as a greenhouse, maybe as like a mini shelter. So we're going to go ahead and get that started. First thing we're going to do is take out one of the 6-ways, another one right here, this one here, and we're going to be placing on the sides something like that so it has a straight line. We're also going to do a couple more down here, and this is going to open it up. So let's get started. For the frame, we have 2 sections cut to 76.5 inches long. We have 1 section here cut to 27 inches long. We need 2 3-ways. We need 4 sections of PVC pipe cut to 2 inches long for these midpoints on both sides. We're going to need a 45 degrees elbow on both sides and 2 side saddle T's. Going down to the bottom here, we need 2 L's, another 2 of the 2-inch sections of PVC pipe, and then 2 more side saddle T's. All right, for this bottom section, we have a piece that's roughly 7 feet long, and then we have a small piece there was about a foot long on each side. Looking here at this fitting, this is the adjustable fitting for the adjustable L. This also comes in 3-ways, 4-ways, and 5-ways if you had a use for that, but this is just a nice way to tie in your bottom section for your door. Some of these geodesic dome designs come with a full cover that have a zipper built into it. But if you're looking at a custom design, this is the setup for you. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To purchase any of these items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.